Did you know that deep space hides extreme alien planets so terrifying they are made of pure cosmic hell? First, look at Coro 7b. This ultimate fire monster is so close to its star that its surface is a boiling ocean of liquid lava, where the clouds literally rain solid rock straight down onto mountains. Next is OGLE 2005, the coldest ice desert in the known universe, frozen forever at a shocking -220 degrees. And finally, WASP 12b, a dark gas giant being stretched and eaten alive by its own sun. Which extreme world shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe to FactWave.